I'm here with Daniel Curci from OneLayer to discuss security in private wireless networks. Security is becoming more and more central, and that's why our partnership is very important. So, Daniel, as enterprises move from trialing private 5G to real industrial use, what major security gap are they discovering, and why doesn't traditional IT security catch it?
Great. I think fundamentally one of the biggest visibility gaps is the devices that are connecting to the network. So when we think about the way a network infrastructure was built out, it was really built to cater to the mobile network operators. And what they care about are SIM cards and subscribers. In the OT environment, they care about the devices that are actually attaching to the network, which drive a lot of the use cases they're looking for. So with OneLayer, what we try to do is help organizations get a better understanding of what are all the devices that are connected to the network so that I can use that network more effectively.
And how does combining Nokia solutions with OneLayer Bridge simplify security operations?
Well, it does so because, as I was just referring to, understanding what those devices are that are connecting to the network will help the security team apply better security policies at the device level, not just at the SIM card. And for network operations teams, they get the added value of understanding from a diagnostic perspective, if I'm having challenges with my network, where are the real devices, what are those actual devices, and how can I actually improve the way I go out there and diagnose the challenges so we can speed up that process operationally.
Zero trust is a big topic in security. How does our collaboration go beyond the SIM card to protect the OT devices behind the gateways?
Great. So what OneLayer does is we connect with the Nokia cellular core and various other components within the environment, and we collect some of the cellular attributes for those devices, and then we fingerprint those devices to give the device type, the make, the model, and all the different types of attributes that a security professional would actually want to use to drive different types of policies, whether they wanted to do segmentation that maps over to their Purdue model, or they want to be able to better apply zero trust network access based on what that device really is. So together with Nokia and OneLayer, we're able to provide both the connectivity as well as the translation into the way that the security experts actually want to manage that cellular network and bridge the two together.
Then what is the main benefit for a customer choosing the Nokia OneLayer joint offering?
I think what it really boils down to is accelerating the adoption of that private cellular network, right? There's a lot of great opportunity with those cellular networks, and our customers are investing heavily into making that a reality. But for some of the reasons that we've discussed earlier in terms of translating that cellular knowledge into the traditional IT/OT domain, by being able to do that, we can make it quicker for them to onboard devices, we can make it quicker for them to understand how to set up the proper security environments. And so by doing that, we get them closer to that full operational vision faster, getting a quicker return on their investment when it comes to deploying these networks out.
How does this partnership help mission-critical customers keep their systems running as they modernize?
So really it all boils down to resilience, right? So the more secure the network is, the more resilient it will be. And when a network is trusted because it's secure, we trust the devices that are attaching to that network, we can keep those use cases, whether it's automation, sensors, smart metering in the utility space, whatever we might be looking at, if we can make sure that that network is resilient from a security angle, we can ensure that the uptime is there, that they're using the network the way they want it to.
Thank you so much for the interview, and find out more at nokia.com.